Welcome everyone. Welcome to another live today. Today we'll be doing a private school past paper. And if you guys have not seen the paper is in the description. You could try doing the paper yourself and then come back and see, or you could do the papers side by side with me. It's up to you guys. And wanted to tell you all the places you'll find this live on. You can find this live on our YouTube channel, or you could uh, find the live in 11 plus ALT group and ambitious learning tuition page on Facebook. So these are the places. If you get disconnected, just try joining us and you will see us there. So let's get started. Just want to say a quick hi. I've seen some of you have, a lot of you have joined. I can't see any here because I can't see you guys comment, doing any comments or anything on the YouTube. You can also chat and give us the answers wherever you are. So let's get started, guys. I'll start sharing my screen with you all. And as usual, I will be telling you how to solve this paper. So let's get started. And here you go. So, as I told you before, if you have joined our lives before, I always tell that the private schools have a habit of giving easy stuff in the beginning, and towards the end you get the paper gets harder and harder. So if you think the first few pages are few questions, not pages, few questions are easy, that's normal in private school because they normally have hard questions towards the end. So if you see that the first one is a year 4 question, and all of you will be able to do this one. It says that you need to write the missing numbers in the space provided. So you have 56 divided by 7 equals to 8. So basically, you could do the other way of solving this one. I'll tell you guys a trick how to do this. Is an easy way of doing it. You could just do take it, take this and do 56 divided by 8. You could do that to find your answer. So the answer for here is, if you guys want to write down the answer, it's up to you all. Or you want me to tell you the answer is 7 for the first one. And the second number is they're asking you for the sequences. So you have to look at the sequence, what's happening. If I look at the sequence in this one, they are doing plus 3 on the top, first one, and then it's going all the way to plus 4, and the next one, if you see, is plus 5. So they are just doing like that. It's a pattern going on. And the next one would be a plus 6. So if you do a plus 6, you know your answer would be 21. So your answer is 21 for this one. Second one is angles. So you have to find what is x and y. To find, let's find to find y is very easy. You know that the angle, inside angle, is equal to 180 degrees. So this one, the one I'm doing here, this equals to 180 degrees. So this is equal to 180 degrees. So you could do is you could add these two up. So let's do this way. You're adding 88 plus 63, and then you have to minus that by 180. So what is 88 plus 63? That's 151. So you have to minus 151, 180 minus 151, and then you will get your answer as 29. So you know that y is 29, and they want you to find x. This is a straight angle. The straight angle is also equal to 180 degrees. It's 180 degrees. You just have to minus it from 180 minus 63. That one is really easy. That gives you 117. So your answer for y is, and to find y, you just have to do is 180 degrees minus 63 degrees. That give you your answer as 117. So with this, we found out what both the angles are. And now you have to change the fraction, change 0.72 to a fraction, leaving your answer to the simplest form. So this is something you guys don't like, is that to simplify fraction after you do it. So you have to change this 0.72 to a fraction. So 0.72, first of all, you need to know what it is. It's 72 by 100. Try simplifying that further. And in the end, after you simplify it, you would get 18 by 25. That's your answer. I'll just copy some of your answers. So that is 18 by 25. And the next one is they are testing if you guys know fractions basically. So it's 3 minus, and there's a fraction here. You have to make it in simple form. First, you have to do 3 minus. Remember, when you have a fraction like this, you have to do multiply the bottom and add the top. So it's 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 over 9. Then you have to just try doing that. 27 minus 23 over 9, because this one doesn't have anything. 1 multiplied by 9 gives you 9. Whatever you multiply the bottom, you multiply the top. So 3 multiplied by 9 is 27, what I've written. And 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. And 21 multiplied by 1 is 23. So you just have to minus this now. And then you will get your answer 4 by 9. So your answer for this one will be 4 by 9. And the next one is 2 plus 4 multiplied by 3 over 5. So let's do that. I'll put a bracket here so that I don't get confused. So that would be 2 plus 4 threes are 12, and then 5. Then you'll do the same thing, write a 1 here, and then do it. 1 in 1 gives you 5. 1 multiplied by 5, and 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 10 plus 12, because that would be 1 itself, because 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. So 10 plus 22 is 22 over 5. And if you want to do the same way as they have done it, or you could also write it like this. So now we are on number 6. So let's do number 6 now, guys. Number 6 is they're telling you center sells summer beddings plants at 85p each. I have 30 pounds to spend. How many plants can I buy? Show your working. Remember, if you're doing private school papers, they normally give marks for the working out. But in grammar schools, you only get marks for the right answer. They don't give marks for your working out if you're doing two stages paper. And if you're doing only one stage, that's multiple choice. So we know that 30 pounds equals to 3000p. We made it in p because they were asking us in p itself. So then we just have to divide 3000 divided by 85. That would give you guys 600 divided by 17, and then when you divide it, your answer would be 35.29. And let's do it rounding. If you do rounding, your answer would be 35. Let me put some of your answers. And remember, if you guys have joined on any of the platforms, please don't forget to give a like to our videos, because giving a like to the videos is like encouraging us that you love our work. And we are on number 7. In number 7, they are telling you write in what the two missing digits could be. So you have to think about these two digits that gives you 631. So let's think what it could be. So let's write this as A and write this as B, because these are your missing ones. So we'll do the same way as you guys do your adding. And we know that that gives us 631. So 4 plus 7 is 11. We add 1, 10, 11. So this becomes 2 here, because that becomes 1 here, and this is, we are just thinking what it could be. So this is what we have the equation. So if we do the first one, there could be different answers for this one. You all could get different answers for this one. 3 and 2, yeah. You could also do 3 and 2. So it could be different answers. Like there's not one answer for this one. It could be, you have to think about ways in which you could make a 5, basically. Because if you look at that, A plus B, that equals to 5. So you have to find different ways of finding 5. That could be 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Or could you do 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. Or you could do 0 plus 5 equal to 5. So there could be different ways. Your answer would be different. You'll have different answers. 2 plus 2, you can't do that because that's 4. We need something which is equal to 5. So these are the possible values. Have a lot of possible values in this one, but these are the three ones what they want. So let's move on to the next one now. Next one is they're telling you that Bin has, let's ask this lady to speak for us. Bin has seven dominoes in the bag. She takes out one domino and finds in the total of the two numbers. He then puts the domino back in the bag. His seven dominoes are shown below, together with a graph of his results after doing this experiment 100 times. So if you look at this one, this is 4. Just write down how many are there. This is 6. This one is 8. This one is 6. This one is 8, 5, and 6. Now they are asking you explain why the total never come up. 7 never come up because there are no dominoes with a total of 7 spots. If you look it up, none of them are with 7 spots. So you would just write down no dominoes with the total of 7. And the next one is explain why the total of 6 come up most often. So those with a total of 6 spots greater in numbers than other numbers of spots. So you'll see that there are 3 dominoes with total of 6 spots greater in number than all other numbers of spots. So it's basically greater in number than other numbers of spots. So you'll just write greater in number greater in number than other spots is that's why. So let's move on to the next one. Number 9 now is they are telling you to write down the missing number. So they are saying 93 minus something minus 18 equals to 36. So the way of finding this one is you could just minus 93 minus 18 and minus 36. So 36 would come first, sorry, because you do it according to which is the largest to the smallest one. Minus 36 minus 18, that gives you guys 39. Oh, that is equals to 39 when you minus that. So we know that is 39. In this one, you have brackets 8 plus something multiplied by 7 gives you 91. When you have something like this, try doing the opposite. Instead of multiply, try dividing this one by 7. That's equals to 13. So what gives you 13? 8 plus something gives you 13. So that would be 5. Good. So I'm just putting some of your answers to see how you guys are. So let's move on to number 10. Number 10 is you have to find which of the following fraction is closer to 1/4. So try simplifying the fractions if you can. So I'll do this one. This would be 1 by 60. I'll just do the ones I can do. Eighty. Wait, let's. And 31 would be, if you keep doing it, that would be 1 by 220. That would be 31 over 120. So your answer would be this one. Or you could, another way of doing this one is you could make all the fractions the same in all of them because they have 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So you could try making them same and then try doing it. Number 11 now. Number 11 is Susan is making a necklace of beads using red and yellow. The beads in the ratio 2 is to 3. She has 56 red together beads together. How many yellow beads she will need? So you have to try making an equation. What they have told you, the things what they have given you is 2 is to 3. It's here. If that equals to 56. And the another one which we don't know, we'll do it x. So we'll do the same thing as you guys do it. If you need to find x, you would do 56 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. And with this, you will answer. That's 84. And the next, they are saying, how many beats are there altogether? So you just have to do 84, what you found in the previous one. And you know that another beat, she has left 56 beats are given here. Add 56 into this to get your answer. That would be 140. All of you are giving the answer right. Good. It's 84. And then you will just do it like that and you'll just get 180. You'll get 140. So now you're on number 12. They are telling you multiply by something gives you 385. So 5 multiply by 7 and multiply by 11. So you could just find first 385, how you get that. And that would be your answer for this one. So now we are on the next one, number 13. Number 13, they are saying that Bryn is looking of a TV program for the evening. They have given the program for BBC and ITV. They said that Brain watches the film on ITV, but after half an hour, he changes channel to BBC, what is showing on BBC One when he changed channel. What is showing on BBC One when he changed the channel? So you have to find out what would be playing in BBC when he changed the channel. So let's find the things what they have given us the information now. He watches a film on ITV, but after half an hour. So he's watching a film. Look at the film here. He's watching a film on ITV, but after half an hour means 30 minutes. So do it 620 plus 30. What is that? You guys need to be really good in your time. That would be 6, sorry, 650. That would be 650. So what do you think he would be watching at 650? He'll be watching this one because that program is still on. So he'll be watching tops, top of the pops. Let me just use a. So let's write it down here so that we don't get confused. He will be watching top of the pops. So he'll be watching this program. And the drama on BBC One last for 1 hour. So we are looking at this one now, drama. The drama on BBC lasts for 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes is 1 hour 30 minutes is 90 minutes. And 10 more. So it'll be 1 hour 40 minutes. So just try doing 1 hour, 9:25 to 10:25. That's your 1 hour. And with the 1 hour, that's 1 hour, just add 40 minutes, that's 11:05. Good, 11:05. Now we are on 14. 14 say that make a list of all the whole numbers which leaves a remainder of 7 when divided by 46. They divided by 46 and they have the remainder. So basically, just try doing it. 46 minus 7 for the first thing you have to do, that's 39. And then try doing the factors of 39. Factors of 39 would be 3, 13, and 1. So these are the factors of 39. And if you look at these factors, you know that 3 and 1 can't give you remainder. If we do 3 and 1, they cannot give me remainder 7 because we need, what do you need? You need a remainder that's 7. So we are left with 3 and third. We are left with, and that gives you, so we are left with 13 here and 39. So we are left with 13 and 39. So that's your answer. So the first thing is try and manage that and then finding the factors. You know that 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 1 gives you 13 multiplied by 1 is 13 and 13 multiplied by 3 is 39. So we could not do 3 multiplied by 1 because that's 4. That won't give you a remainder as 39. Oh, sorry, remainder as 7. We need a remainder as 7. That's why we did that. That's why your answer would be 13 and 39. So move on to the next one, number 15 now. The charge of £C made by a for arranging a birthday party for n people is given by the formula C equals to 3n plus 40. So now they are charging you what is the charge in pounds for a party of 20 people. So we will just write instead of n, because they want 20 people, you'll write 20 plus 40. That gives you guys 100 because 3 multiplied by 20 is 60 and 60 plus 40 gives you 100. What is the average cost per person? Oh, sorry about that. I'll just go back. So now they're asking you what is the average cost per person in a party of 20 people. To find that, you have to divide 100, what you got in the previous question, by 20. 0 to 0, gone. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So your answer is 5 for this one. And now you have number 16. In number 16, they are telling you about the coordinates. The coordinates of A, B, and C are A equals to 3 and 1, B equals to and 2, C equals to 12 and 4. What is the value of D not shown also lies on the line. If D is 15A, so they are telling you that D, which is not shown here, it's 15 and A. What is the value of A? So for this one, y equals to x divided by 3, that equals to A mine, oh sorry, A equals to 3, and we can simplify that is 5. So we know that it's 5 for your first one. So now they're asking you to find the value of B. So how would you find the value of B? Look at B. It's given here 6 and 2, that's 8, equals to B by 3. That is, remember that when you have to find B, you'll do the opposite. So B equals to 8 multiplied by 3. That gives you guys 24. Let me just see what you guys are doing. And the last one they are telling you is if P and Q is another point on the same line, write down the relationship equations between P and Q. So now you have P and Q. So in this one, you guys will do that Q equals to P3, sorry, B by 3. What I'm writing, P by 3. B by 3, that is equal to, it's P by 3. I was running right first. I don't know what did I do. It's P and Q. Oh, I just got confused with the previous one. P by 3, that equals to, we'll do the same thing as we did previously, as I told you. You will just multiply this by this. So your P equals to 3Q. P equals to 3Q. Now, easy one. You guys love this. So basically, you're adding, find the value of each of the following. So you're just adding 68.9 plus 9.89. So when you do that, you will write it 68.9, and then you have 9.86. So that you don't get confused, try writing a zeros here so that you guys don't get confused. And remember that you're adding them up. Don't try subtracting them. So you'll add them up and you'll get the answer as, yes, that's the answer you'll get, 78.76. So that's the answer for this one, 78.76. And the next one, you have to subtract 321 minus 238. You need to remember your borrowing, how to borrow each one, because one not subtract 8, it'll ask help for 2. So when it asks for 2, 2 will become 1, this will become 11. So you'll just do it. 11 minus 8 is 3. 1 cannot minus 6. So 1 will ask help from 3. 3 will become 2 and 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer would be 53. If you don't know long multiplication, I would highly recommend you all to buy. We have made recently have made a book for year fours. That's long multiplication. It's from 11 plus help to success. And try doing that book for long multiplications, long divisions. It'll be good help if you guys are struggling in all these things to buy that book. You can buy that book from Amazon or from 11 plus help to success helpline. Oh, sorry, website. So next is, you're multiplying 391 multiplied by 7. You need to know your tables really well to do this. So here you go. That would be your answer. And the next one is 656. Here 656 divided by 8, and your answer would be 82. Let me see what you guys are writing. So I could just write some of your answers. It's 2737. Nimra has corrected hers now. So let's move on to 18 now. 18 is, they are saying that Brent starts with 1000 and subtracts 11 each time. The first four numbers in the sequence are, they've given you the first number. If he continues like this way, what will be the first negative number in his sequence? For this one, you will do 1000 and see it's given here. And and when you do your word problems, always try writing on the top if there are any numbers given, like you have been given 1011. So you know that you have to divide it by 11. So it'll be 9. That would be 99. We'll get 10 as a remainder. Then try minus 10 minus 11. Try minus 10 from 11. You will get minus 1 as your answer. Because remember that we always take the sign of the bigger one. So when we take the sign of the bigger one, it'll become minus 1. Now we are on number 19. They are saying that the missing number, so that the number is always 56. So what in 131 number is always 56? What will you minus from this? So try minusing it by 56. So you just have to minus everything by 56. 131 minus 56, you guys 75. And in this one, you would do, in this, remember that you'll do the opposite. You'll do 56 minus 17 to get the answer. So that would be 39. So remember that, you're getting, wherever you are multiplying with this, you will need to get 56. So 50% of something. So you would do 50%, that is 50 over 100. So we'll do 56 multiplied by 100 divided by 50. That is 112. And 560 divided by 56. That gives you guys 10. And the last one, 1/3 of something. You'll just do it. 56 multiplied by 3. That gives you guys 1, 6, and a 8. So this one was quite easy. It was not hard. And now we are on the last question of this private school paper. Let's do the last one now. That's about angles. So you have two rectangles A, B, C, D, and P, Q, R are shown below. So A, I'll just write what they have given. The best way is always write down what they have given you. So they given me that AD means this one equals to 3 centimeters, and they've given me AB mean the top one on the top, A and B. This one here, I'll put a line. This one here equals to 5 centimeters. P and Q is the one inside one here. That equals to 2 centimeters. P and S, this one here, 2 centimeters. And B and R, this one, I'll write it here, 1 centimeter. So if this is 1, this one will also be 1. And these all are 2, 2. So this also will be 2. So now they're telling you to calculate the shaded angle. So let's do it. So you will do B, Q equals to QR minus BR, that is 2 minus 1, that equals to 1 centimeters. And now we have to find the shaded one. The shaded one is 5 multiplied by 3. I could have put them, let me put them in brackets so you guys don't get confused. 5 multiplied by 3 brackets minus, again bracket, 2 multiplied by 1. That equals to 15 minus 2. That gives you guys 13 centimeters square. So that is how you do it. I hope you guys understood how to do it. With this, we have finished the paper. The paper is done. There's any of the questions you guys find? If you find any of the questions hard, let's stop sharing. So we have done this one. So I hope you all you liked it and it was not so bad. You found the last one hard. You should try doing more questions about area and perimeter. Then try doing the area and perimeter because that's compound shapes. If you look at Magini, they also have lot of sheets there about compound shapes. Try doing some sheets about compound shapes, and then the questions like the last one would be there, and you won't find it hard. It'll be easy for you all to try doing that. And let me know what you guys want to do next week, because next week we can do something about verbal reasoning or something like that. So we could do that. And we also have made multiple choice papers. The 11 plus help to success have made multiple choice papers, paper one, and try buying that papers from 11 plus help to success website. They have multiple choice and they have the answer sheets also attached with them. And the best thing is that 11 plus help to success is giving discounts, £5 discount. So if you buy any of the books or papers from their website, you will get £5 discount. And the minimum spend is, I think, so it's £20. Maximum spend is £20. So try buying anything, any of the books you guys are struggling in. This is the best way of doing it. It's not that bad. Okay, that's good. So I'll leave you guys now. All of you must be hungry. I'll leave you guys to go and eat your dinner and just enjoy whatever you are doing. Let me find one of the winners for today who answered the most questions. Let's see. So every week we'll be choosing a winner. The app chooses a winner for us. Let's see who is the winner who answered the right questions for us today. Come on, guys. Who did answer? Choose a winner. Choose a winner. Choose a winner. Let's see which one the app chooses. Your name will appear here. You don't want to know who's the winner, guys, for today? Oh, whose name did come? The app has chosen a winner, guys, for you. So the winner for today is who has given the right answers for today. The name is here is NREDITZ. I scammed a lot. Did you? So should I choose another winner? You don't want to be the winner then? I said the winner doesn't said that he was not the winner. So let's choose another winner then. So you're the first one. So let's choose the next one. Who is the next winner? Come on, app, choose one of the another winner. Come on. Who did answer the most questions after this one? You want to be the winner. Okay. Another one. The second winner is, let's see what the app will choose the next one. They need to be two winners. I know you're really happy, but we need another winner. So every week we'll be choosing two winners who have answered the best questions. So if you are the winner continuously for a month, Like if you have been chosen for a month, like you have been, the app chooses you for a month, you might get a certificate for getting been chosen every week. So let's choose another winner. Let's see what the app is choosing. We need two winners, guys. We just got one. Please, please, please. Everybody saying please. Let's see who is the second winner. The app has chosen the second winner now is it's TOWARDS. So we have two winners for today. So let's congrats to the winners for today. So let's see the next winner from next time who will be the winner. So we got two winners this week. So let's write well done to the winners. So well done to the winners who have won this week, the two. If you guys are there next week, also remember that you have to win in four continuous times. So 4 weeks. So this is the first week you won. So if you won the second week, if your name was not there, don't worry that they don't have a chance if you win more than 3 times, like they have won today. And if they won three more times, then only they'll be the winner for the month of April. So if you guys want to be the winners, try coming next week, same time at 5:30 to see that if you win. That's all for today, guys, and we are doing a trial class for creative writing on Sunday at 4:30. If you want to join that class, just tell us that there's link in our WhatsApp groups for you guys to join that classes. So that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you back next week, same time at 5:30. And be active to be the winners because the winners might win certificates, they might win 11 plus help to success books, papers. There are so many things you guys can win. That's all for today.